Hello and welcome. Winter's on the way, and we all know when winter gets here, we always end up with like bulbs fusing in his cars and in his vans. So I've had a main headlight bulb on driver's side. It's gone. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a video on how to change a bulb on the Fiat Ducato. It's about a 5-minute job. I've seen videos online before. I just thought I'd film it to see if I could make it a bit more simpler so people can understand how to do it. I mean, there's a few good videos out there, but I thought I'd do my own. So let's get on with it, and I'll show you how to change the bulb on a Fiat Ducato. This is how to change a Fiat Ducato light bulb. So you have a panel up here, and it has 2 screws there. So I've undone them, and then I've took that panel out. It has a little bit of a lip, so you've got to be careful you don't break out there. And then this panel down bottom here, it has a screw there. Same again, you've got a bit of a lip where it clips onto. I think someone's broke it before there, look. It's been broke before. So yeah, it's only got that one now. Then you've got to undo this bolt here, and then there's a bolt there, and then there's a bolt on top, and then light should come out and you should be able to change light bulb. Right, so now I've got the light out, I can get to these more easily. So it's going to be this one here, and then I need to unplug that there. That one there. Alright, hold on, it's coming out with a thingy. So what I've got to do is unplug this and then unclip that there. Right, so that's the old bulb out there, and I put the new bulb in, and it should be okay. That should work fine. So I'm going to fasten it all up and give it a test and see if it's okay. So there we go, that's all the lights working. I'll just flick the indicator on. Turn main beam. Yeah, so I've turned main beam off, normal beam's working, indicator's working, and what I've got to do now is just put these panels on here. So I'm going to get on with that. I tightened this bolt up here, tightened that bolt up there, and I've tightened that bolt down here. It's there, right in there, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's working fine. It's alright, both of them. Yep, job well done. Right, there we go, that's all panels back on. These are the screws that we're on about. That one there, and this one here. And all you need is a cross thread like that to undo them with. Cross thread, and it's easy, very simple. They just replace, you could replace them, and if they break, easy. You know, you don't need a body shop to do it or anything. So yeah, that's it, all done, all finished. That took about 5 minutes.